kids bought my favorite flowers because I told them no bouquet of flowers. I want plants. And they know I love my hydrangeas. I got 2 hydrangeas. I'm so happy because, you know, now I can grow them in my garden. And last box came right here. So we are going to tape our Mother's Day unboxings. Let me just say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, the mothers-to-be, the grandmothers, the aunties, the sisters, any family members who take on the role of a mother. You are appreciated and loved. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. And on actual Mother's Day, I'm taping this a day before. I don't know. I'm hoping.
No, don't tell them. It ruins the magic.
No, on actual Mother's Day, which is tomorrow, my children and I, we are going to be going a little bit outside of the city. We're going to have a private day of just spending quality time together. So I didn't want to stress or have anything to do, like a to-do list or something on my mind. So I just thought, you know what, since the boxes are all here, let's do it today. And that way for Mother's Day, I can enjoy and be present in my children's and in my environment, you know, in our lives. So I hope you enjoy. I don't know what's in here, but I'm excited. So I don't know why there's 3 boxes. So I guess each of them bought me an item and a wallet to go with it. I had a big interview with my daughter and my son. They're asking me like what I would like, what kind of colors, what am I looking for, what do I not have, just to give them an idea of what to get me, because I am a very hard person to shop for, especially when it comes to bags, because I don't have any shortage of bags, and it has happened already starting this year for like gifts from other people. Oh, is that the door? 1 second, guys. Robert, you're gonna need to turn off. It's the door. Can you guys hear it?
Oh yeah, sure. Hold on.
Yeah. I'll be right back. Apparently, I still have my address on here. It's not my address, guys. This is my son's place, so don't bother him. So, yeah, as I was saying, it has already happened when someone tried to give me a gift and it was a duplicate, and then they noticed I have it and they felt bad and I felt bad. So yeah, it's getting to a point where I have almost everything. So I'm curious on what they bought. So which one should we do, Robert? Is it a big one from you or the small ones?
I believe
is it one small one, one big one, or which one?
I think the way we did it was I did one small one, and then I think Dad and Layla did the other ones, but I could be wrong about that.
Okay, so let's do the smalls.
Yeah, let's do the smalls first.
Okay, so the small ones are from my son, apparently. Okay. And then this is from my daughter and my man.
Yeah.
So, okay, so let's do this one first. Okay, I'm so excited. I hope you're having a good Mother's Day, guys. Again, I'm taping a day before Mother's Day. It has been a tradition here for us since, as my children were young, I always worked on all the holidays. So we've become accustomed to doing our holidays like a day before or a day after.
We do, a day after.
So that way you will have more freedom and more time and better places to go.
Yep.
So, ooh, these are little wallets. So yeah, I'm taping this a day before Mother's Day.
We lucked out. I was really worried that because your daughter ordered it later that it was not going to show up on time. I was worried about that, but thankfully it did show up to.
Okay, so you got, these are from you, the kiss locks?
These are from me, yeah.
Okay. I don't have these kiss locks. Good job. No sticker. They could at least send Mother's Day stickers. What is going on? Okay. Should I open this too? Okay, I'll open this too.
I'll open the other one too,
so they go together. Okay. Alright. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope your Mother's Day is blessed, guys. Thank you to everyone who's been here with me. We passed our 3-year mark. Can you believe it? I have so many videos coming up. I know it's been bombarded with videos. I want it to be really active for May. Thank you to everyone who watched the Bag of the Month. Did you like the Bag of the Month? My daughter had it. It's right here somewhere. right here.
She's right there behind your head. Yeah.
I couldn't believe that. Oh, Robert, this is so cute. Thank you. Look, guys. Look. Okay. Look, Robert.
What? No way.
I got a sticker.
Oh, look at that.
My first sticker. Woo! I think he's here.
Oh, we're 5 months in.
Oh, they sent a sticker. A Father's Day sticker.
What is that? Is that
It's golfing, but
It's a golf. Yeah, it's a golfing duck. Hey, it's better than
you
nothing.
got a sticker from the 2 boxes you sent. Very
It's
nice.
good. It's good.
Okay. This is beautiful, Robert.
That's
And you're
lucky.
right. You're right. I don't have this. You did good.
Good,
You
good.
did really good. Really good. Oh my gosh. And it says 1 of 1. 1 of 1, guys. This is the small pouchet. I believe it's a pouchet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pouchet. And the color is the Greta. Very nice. The Greta Fuchsia. I have this one right here. So it'll be nice for my collection. You did very well, Robert. Very well. And apparently, guys, this bag, I don't think Robert knew when he ordered this.
What?
I just realized about this myself, but on the DOONEY and BOURKE website, on the app now, not I Love DOONEY, on the app, they have a different bag of the month, guys. I had no idea. I was talking to my friend Sanise. I will link Sanise on the bottom. Hey, honey. She told me to check it out, and this bag is the bag of the month on the not the outlet, but online app DOONEY and BOURKE.
It's from them. Yeah, it's on their website.
It's not. This is the bag that they have as a bag of the month. Now, not the fuchsia Greta, but I think they have the ostrich right now as the bag of the month. I had no idea that DOONEY and BOURKE and I Love DOONEY online were different, but apparently this is the bag of the month for that website. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
That is so coincidence. Well, look at what my boy got me. Thank you,
It's what
Robert.
Sanise told us, right? About how there's 2 separate
Yeah, when
ones.
I talked to, I had no idea. Thank you, Sanise. So yeah, you did good, Robert.
Yay!
I love it. I have one of these, one other one that my friend Nicole sent me a while back as a gift. It's right there, Robert, if you want to hand it
Sure.
to me so they can see it.
Where is it?
Right there, the brown one. Right in the front there, right here.
Here
The
you go?
brown,
This
no,
one?
no, no, on the shelf, the brown one, yeah. Somebody's like, where is it?
Here we go.
Here. Now this is also a pouchet that my friend Nicole sent me. And I love to have this on display, but look how cute, guys. It's a beautiful little bag. Thank you, Robert. I love it. And apparently, the bag of the month on the website, DOONEY and BOURKE app. You want to go check it out, guys. So it is a pouchet, like I said, in this beautiful Greta fuchsia color. I love it, Robert. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Of course, my children are the gifts themselves. They don't have to give me anything, but they still like to make mom happy. They're so fun, and I'm blessed. Thank you, Robert. Look at the inside. How nice, red. It has a kebab. It has a slant pocket there that you can put stuff in, and one on this side. So there is no zipper pocket. They're kind of like a slot pocket on both sides. So beautiful. Oh, I see, that's why you ordered this. Okay.
Yep.
You did so well. Thank you, Robert. And 1 of 1. I love to get 1 of 1 of everything.
I didn't know it was gonna be 1 of 1. Like,
Yeah,
I
no,
didn't
you
think
never
that,
know. Yeah, when you get these, you never know which one you're gonna get. Look at this. It's beautiful. Something's
Oh, excuse me for a second. Yeah, I think my alarm is going off or something. Hold on.
So thank you, Robert. Look, he bought me the Kiss Lock also. This is going to be beautiful for my collection of Kiss Lock. Again, this is the Greta color in fuchsia. You see the inside. On the inside, it does have the leather pockets. I love that. Or the card slots. Yeah, it has it. Beautiful. Now, the question is this going to work with this? Because this is tiny.
I think
Oh,
so,
it worked.
yeah.
It worked.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
it
works,
worked. It worked. Thank you, it works. But if not, I can always use this with my big one right here. But yeah, so this is what my son got me, guys, for Mother's Day, along with my flowers here. Love it. Thank you. What's this? You got an extra piece?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So you get. So see how smart my boy is, so he can get the free shipping.
Yeah. There was a deal where.
Oh, I don't have this color either. Okay, and then he got me the Greta. This is in the red, right? No, what is this called? It's not called red. What is this called? Bordeaux. In the Bordeaux, which would be great. I do have my Bordeaux on display here. So, thank you, Robert. Yeah, I'll be using both of them. Very nice. Now, I'm kind of excited on what this one is because my daughter asked a lot of questions. What I want. She actually wanted me to show her pictures of the new collections.
Yeah.
So I can pick one. And I said, no, I don't want to pick. You pick for me. My daughter, look at the size of this. She knows me very well. No, you did pretty good too, Robert. For
no, the one thing
she
said, the one thing is like, well, I know she likes the bigger bags. And I was like, yeah, but do you know which ones she has? It's like, yeah, I know. We'll just get the bigger one that she doesn't have.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, so this is a new collection. I did show her that this is something I would want. Look, guys. The new collection. Wow. Wow. This is a large tote. They're calling this white. I do want to say, I think it's floral something. I hope it says on the paper. What is this one called? And then the zip around case. Oh, and the zip around case. Oh, how cute. Look. Look, Robert.
Ooh, look at that.
No sticker. No sticker? Really? Wow.
Yeah, that's about right.
At least we got one sticker.
One out of three.
We're happy. One sticker. Okay. So I don't remember what this was called. Is it Botanical? I think it's called Botanical. Yeah. Oh, she got a really good price. Okay. I'm happy you guys did really well, Robert. Really well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is the Botanical. I'm assuming it's a large tote. Just jump in there. Yeah, large tote. And it's called white. Like white is the color that they have it under. Oh, I need that cutter. This one has the lighter tones, like the straps and all the handles. It's a lighter colored. It's not the dark one like this. I kind of wanted to see it in person. Look how pretty, Robert. Wow! You guys did. You helped her with this, didn't you?
A little bit, yeah.
You helped her. Wow. This is so cute. Of course, my kids always know how to brighten Mom's Day. Thank you guys for Mother's Day. Look at this. Wow. That is stunning. Wow. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I am in shock of the beauty. So this new collection is apparently hand painted by Peter DOONEY, and then they take his drawings,
wow, really?
And then they copy it and put it on the leather. And I don't think he hand paints the leather itself.
Well, no, he can't. But it's still a unique design he made for the first.
I mean, it looks like a sketch.
A stencil, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, is that what they call it?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. I'm assuming each one is going to be different. Like the print you get is going to be a little different than each other. Like the hydrangea collection. You know how they're all different? Oh, it's going to be a long video. I'm sorry. This is why I wanted to do it ahead of time. Because I don't want to take up people's Mother's Day watching my videos. But thank you to everyone who does watch my videos. I so appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it's a little thirsty. I'm going to have... You know, recently, all the bags I've been getting have been thirsty.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think something's going on with their... the way they're storing it. But look how beautiful. Wow. Wow, right? You guys love it? I love it. So, large tote, the Botanical. New collection, guys. My Mother's Day gift from my daughter and my son. I have to say... both of them because, you know, my son helped pay for it.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter doesn't make that kind of money. I know he paid for it.
But she chose it, so.
Yeah, I know. You're sweet to let her have the credit.
Yeah.
I know she's watching. Hi, Layla. She doesn't want to be in the video. Maybe I could get her to take some pictures on Mother's Day. We'll do like a photo thing. Mm-hmm. Look at this. Beautiful. 2 handles. Gorgeous. Gorgeous work of art. It has a big pocket in the back. Red on the inside. Wow, that red really pops with the color. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to give it a nice soaking in my conditioner. Wow. So beautiful. Truly honored to be you guys' mom. I appreciate you, Robert, for helping me.
Oh, thank you.
We all love Robert right here, guys. Give my son some love for helping. He got this channel started. Look at the inside. It's his little. This channel is his little baby. Keep up. On the back here, it has a zip and a slip pocket. The front here, it has, of course, the 2 pockets, and it zippers up. Love it. Feels a little dry. I'm gonna have to, although it might just be because it's a coated cotton. This is a coated cotton too. So yeah, guys, these are my gifts, my Mother's Day gifts. I'm so excited to have these in my collection. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my children. And then let's open the little wallet she got. Love it. You can't go wrong with any of the accessories, like these accessories my boy picked out. And this one, I have, of course, you guys know my big treasure chest right here, full of my vintage chest, full of accessories. I have to branch out because my accessory numbers are getting higher. It's getting higher, and I did do a little count. You're not supposed to count, I know, but I did do a little mental count of how many, and I have more accessories than bags, guys. Double the amount. I'm not gonna say it's embarrassing.
I'm not gonna tell you.
But wow, look how cute! Oh wow. I hope it's coming out right. I feel like there's a glare. Zip around. This one, when Nicole gave it to me, she gave me one with it, so I have already one in this color in there. So that's cute. I love these. They're really cute. I'm gonna link, of course, Nicole on the bottom too, guys. Go show her some love. Thank you, Nicole, for this wonderful bag. But wow, this really made my Mother's Day really happy with the stuff you guys picked out. I love how much my children know me. How they're able to pick out pieces I don't have. I was worried. I was like, oh God, I'm gonna send them back whatever they order. They're not gonna know what to get me. But yeah, they did really well. Really well. Love that. So beautiful. We get past again, these obstacles in our way. So I was showing you guys the little coin case my daughter also ordered for me for the bag. Again, Botanical. Zip around coin case. I think this is what that's called. I could be wrong. Yeah, it's a zip around credit card case. That's what it is. Very cute. Very nice. So there you have it, guys. My Mother's Day gifts from my kiddos. I love every single one. You guys didn't have to get me anything, but I'm truly blessed. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed, guys. May you have a wonderful, blessed Mother's Day. And be safe, make memories, be blessed. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. I will do a little outside video to go with this if the camera works. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.